What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Old Volks TV. We're down in New Braunfels in a really interesting area. It's like a bunch of storage units, but a lot of my friends have shops in here. They're all working on their cars. We got Kevin's 63 we just shot a video of. This guy over here is putting a motor together. I don't know, you probably can't see it, it's too far away. Then we got Bert's shop over here, a bunch of cars. Kind of walking around like there's Kevin. Say hi to everybody.
Oh, hi everybody.
Hey, everybody. He's tired because I just made him rigorously film his car. I'm a jerky director. So we'll take a quick look through Bert's shop here. Look at all that. You can't sniff me and then not let me pet you.
I got it. Yeah,
I think if you just border the inside, because then you could even...
We got Mark's car all blown apart here. He's doing, putting some fancy new carpets.
I think I just cut it like right here, look.
I'm coming to the inside.
He's replacing the junk with the good stuff.
You know, just cut it because that's up high. Just cut it where I know it's gonna fit inside.
There's something to grab.
What are you doing?
Having to trim the carpet kit because of the speaker kick panels are where when they were made with the form of the inner well of the bug here of the pan, so I got to trim it so it'll mold back. It's not letting it sit right with the carpet kit in it.
Yep. It's a pretty nice car, guy.
Thanks, man.
Looks like Clint's car, except you don't have those little things right here that come out.
The semaphore? Yeah. Mine's not a Euro.
I dig it though, man. Look at that. Hey, look who it is.
Hey, look at me.
What's this guy?
It's that guy.
Oh, yeah, don't pet that dog. He doesn't like to be petted. He just likes to sniff you. Jerk.
Really? Because I'm getting fed.
Jerk dog. I'm not kidding. Did you spray both sides of that?
Yeah.
Okay, and you let it wait a minute?
Yeah, it's technical.
Okay, all right.
We were expecting you like
Yeah, I learned it from you, man.
Okay, you told me to come help, and I'm helping now.
Your how-to videos, man.
Your how-to videos.
My ass.
It's more like a how not to.
Not to.
Don't do what I do. Do what I say.
Do what I say.
So what do you just spray it
And let it get a little tackiness.
and let
a
her
couple
get
minutes.
a little tacky?
Yeah, a little
Is there
tacky.
like a timer that you do, or
Take a swig out of my beer.
is just kind of how until I remember, right?
Yeah. Just
Look at that fingers, man.
Let
With
me see what it says for the best results.
Let me zoom in on the
Find somebody else.
on the instructions.
He's probably didn't just rewire.
What product are you using there?
3M.
Oh, high strength
strength.
90. That's a good one.
He has it so rigged.
If you do
Pick
it
it up at
right.
your local Home Depot.
If you do it right.
If you do it right.
It'll stick more to your fingers than your car,
In your
though.
car. Thanks for pointing that out, Jason. Very nice observation.
And then you got to do some pressure
Start at the bottom, yeah.
and push the bubbles out, right?
Yeah, push the bubbles out as much as you can.
Especially if you didn't mark everything.
Now, is that supposed to go all the way to the side there, or is that gap intentional?
No, it's gap intentional, I guess. I mean,
And you're gonna push it down inside those grooves, or
not this. This
You
is
want
just a
that to be
padding.
flat,
This
right?
is just a padding, yeah.
got it?
I always like to leave it a little room so you have room to tuck it.
Gotcha.
Yeah, he's like, for sure, he's thinking about that.
That was the plan. Go visit all my babies.
He's a lot.
Is that like silly string?
It looks like silly string, right?
Thinking about it. Man, I want to keep the weekend. I want to keep the mobile rag top. Of course, I want to keep the other one.
Oh, crosshatch. That's a good technique. You got good can control there, buddy.
3 running right now. And then I have 3 split not running. And then I have...
So we're moving right along. Do one side, do the other side.
Don't lean back. You're gonna get stuck.
Yeah.
Don't breathe, you're gonna get hot.
Don't breathe.
Yes.
We want to do this in a well-ventilated area.
Outdoors.
Preferably a convertible, not a rag top.
Not a rack top.
Tucking the carpet into that channel there with the putty knife. Easy money.
Kevin stole all the fun.
Kevin's a hot mess.
Kevin's a hot mess.
No, I don't like that anymore.
Wait, let's go to the what?
I know a real nice spot in Canyon Lake. Wait a minute. Never mind.
Get hot. Gotta get hot.
So the engine heat cures the glue?
No. But it's gonna do it in this instant.
It will this time,
In
huh?
this situation, yeah, because we're running out of daylight. We got started late.
That's what I like to see. Everybody jumps in and helps except me.
Appreciate everyone helping out.
Alright, that's not how to hammer that down.
What do you used to hammer down that lip, like a 10-pound sledge?
Yeah, if that's all you have, but just be gentle with it.
Be gentle with it. It's about 2:30 in the morning. We're still putting the carpet in the bug. They're almost done. Just putting the speaker boxes. Yeah, the sun. You can almost see the sunrise coming up over there.
Yeah, you know what? I'll put them on tomorrow or another day. That way we can get going back to the house. All right.
He's putting his fancy speaker box.
Yeah, it does go the other way. My bad. But I saw the wood and I was like, oh yeah. Should have painted that black while he was there, dude.
Well, you know, it's Mark, so.
Yeah. I want to paint that black. Where the light is. I think there was like something there. Yeah. When it fell out.
Does that light up?
Yeah, it lights up. It doesn't stay lit up. It's like when he turns the car on, it lights up for a second. And
San Antonio style.
See that?
well, no, this was Corpus Christi style.
Oh, that was, yeah.
This was Corpus Christi.
Yeah, I don't know. There had to have been a...
Yeah, like some kind of flavor. Where your
Corpus
lights
Christi
at.
style.
I was saying, when you had it out, you should have painted that little wood black.
When I had it in what?
Where you had that piece
where that
out.
little piece is missing.
Where the piece is missing, you should have just painted it black.
Oh, fuck. How did well, fuck. Now
Hey,
you tell me, fuck.
hey, I'm filming. You got a language. I gotta beep all that shit out now, goddammit.
Blame it on this guy right here.
Just blame it on me, man.
He wants to be the picky guy here, you know?
I'm just giving you advice. You take a paintbrush.
We were just saying,
yeah. I'll
good
just
job,
use
bro.
some
Way
paintbrush
to
to touch up.
Hey, I hear he's got guys that do that for him.
All right.
Yeah.
Where's that front cover?
Oh shit, these glasses are
Oh, broken now.
these safeties?
No, that's safety, yeah. I'm missing that
It
front
came out
cover.
pretty good.
Front cover.
The front cover that goes.
I wouldn't have rushed it so much, but you know, the seat will cover that, I guess. So it's almost time for rubber mats and batteries and seats. It's the fun part about working on a car not at home is you got to finish before you can take it home. And they drove all the way up here from San Antonio. It's like an hour drive. And then tore it all apart.
But we're still waiting.
And now working on
That's
it.
a lot of work.
That was a whole.
To get started.
It's a whole interior of a car to try and get it done in a day. I'm not pointing it that way, don't worry.
I'm not
It's
worried.
only this way.
I know you love me. You won't unhook me.
These are your latches on the top? They look like the Wesley latches? Or a pop top?
What are you talking about?
Right here, these.
Yeah, those are the latches for the hold the speaker.
Hey, is it good or is it good enough?
It's good enough for right now. It's just so we can close it up, you know.
So you're gonna have an unfinished how-to.
Now I'm gonna have to come back and film again and all that. Hey, you know what we call that? A part 2. Part 1 and part 2. Alright, just a quick little tour of Bert's shop. Met some nice folks, looked at some cool stuff. And I think we're gonna go head over to their place and check out the collection they got at home. They got stuff coming out all over the place, so we're gonna do that and we'll catch this after the ride.